Hello, very good morning. Welcome to DS Testing Academy. This video is about the continuation of the robot framework for Flipkart application, which we created in the part one. So already in the part one, what we did, we created a simple framework where we added three folders. One is a resource folder, next one is a keyword folder, and the Flipkart steps folder. We added in the pages the locators. Okay, in the search keywords, we added keywords, reusable keywords, and in the steps we added the test cases and we executed through the robot framework. Okay, so this is what we added. Please go through the part one video where we'll see the download, installation, the library adding, okay, and the framework creation. Everything will be there in the first part of the video. Please go through the first part of the video so that you are following this second part of the video. Now I'm going to add another scenario for this video where I'm going to add a right particular scenario called as place order in Flipkart. Place order. Okay, dot py I'll give. Then I'll add the locators for the place order as we did in the last framework. I'll go to Flipkart application. I'll go here. Okay, I'll go to Flipkart. Okay, the scenario is I'll go to fashions. Okay, and I'll go to men. I'll click formal shirts. Okay, I'll select any one shirt. Then I'll go and give add to cart. Okay, then then place an order. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Till this part I'm going to do. Okay, now I need to write and switch windows also is happening here. Okay, so for all these things I need to take the locators now. Okay, first I need to go. Okay, first I need to go and click the right, go to the search page. That will be done the previous one. Click the fashion link. Okay, for that I need the locators, I need the XPath now. Okay, let me take a relative XPath for this one. Fashion, clicking the fashion link, right? I'll go to right the filter option. Then I'll give right double slash. I'll give tag name. I'll give attribute name text equal to fashion. Okay, I'll take a text based XPath. Okay, now I'll copy this one and I'm going to paste the first locator there in the right pi 5. Okay, so fashion equal to this one. Okay, then I'll go to the next locator. Okay, I'll go to in that I should click men now. Okay, I should navigate in the men. I should navigate to the formal t-shirts now. First I should take men now. Okay, locate men now. For that I'll take next path now. Again you double slash span and I'll going to take a text based XPath now. Okay, I'll copy this one and I'll paste in the .py file. Okay, then I'll paste the XPath now. Now I'll go to the next the operations I'm doing. I'm going to leave formal shirts now. For that, I need to take an X path now. Let me click formal shirts. Right click, inspect it. I need to scroll down there, and I should. No. For that, see if I there is one thing happening here, right? If I click formal, right before going to formal shirts is right, it's going right. For that, I need to go and click the console option. Right, the console. I should click this clear. Right, that time I should click. Okay. Now if I go in that, I should get set timeout. Okay, I should enable it and clear it. Okay, so timeout. Just I'm just telling wait for some time. Right before I locate it. I should give set timeout in bracket. I should give greater than equal to debug. Okay, debugger. Okay, 3000 milliseconds. Okay, I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm doing now is right. See if I click mend right before going it's going away. Okay, we need to go to mend and locate this. We need some time. For that, I'm setting here set a timeout debugger is of 3000 milliseconds. Okay, if you do that, it will hold for some time. Okay, so that is the idea behind this one. Okay, okay. Now I am just go and locate the main formal t-shirt now. I'll again take a text basics part, okay, with the A tag. It starts with the A tag and taken. Please go through the XPath videos which we posted in our channel, previous channel, okay, for a detailed understanding, learning of an XPath. Now t-shirts, formal shirts equal to the particular XPath which you are doing, okay. Now I'll go to the right. I'll click that formal shirts. Okay, I'll give it a try. Okay, so in the formal shirts under this one, I need to locate the first one. Click the first one. Okay, click the first item. For that, I'll take an X path now. Okay, I'll go even X path. Please learn X path from our YouTube video, guys, for a detailed understanding. Okay, right now the focus is not on X path, but just taking an X path. Okay. Okay, now I took an X path for this one. Then I'm just pasting this locator in the .py file. Product. Next, what I should do is I should go, okay, click it. Then I need to handle the windows now. For that, we need to add a keyword later, not now. So I'll go and click go to cart. I need to take a locator now. So I'll write a text-based XPath here. Double slash tag name button. Okay, then square bracket text and the value. Okay, I'll copy this one and I'll paste here. Add to cart. Okay, now I need to place an order now. First I added. Now I need to click place order and go to the next page. This is a scenario which I told earlier, right? So this also I'll take a text-based XPath. So in the place of go to R, right, I'll put change it. Okay, the tag name I say here is span. Okay, then tag text equal to place order. Okay, now it's located. Now I'll take one of one match is coming. Then I'll go to locator, the py file and paste it. So now all the locators has been taken now. Now let's go for the keywords after this one. Okay. So now let's go to the keyword folder and add more reusables here. Okay. I'll create another file place Flipkart underscore place order dot robot. Since it's a robot framework, we are asking dot robot. Okay. Now I'll add the reusables as we added in the last video. Settings, importing the library, cell name library, and keywords here. I'll add keywords. First, what we need to do is, right, we need to click fashion. All right. That's the first logic here. Click fashion. Okay. This is the right method which I using. Okay, click fashion. Then I'm entering the syntax here. I need to write the arguments in the web element, right? Like last time we did. Click 1 minute. Cell name library is not imported here. Click button. Oh, no, click element. It's an element, right? Click element. Then the web element. Okay. Now let's go and first is click element. Then what I need to do is write mouse over. Okay, mouse over to men. Right, mouse over I should do. I'll add the arguments and the web element here. Okay, now I need to go to men, right? Move mouse. There's a method called as mouse over. Okay, I need mouse needs to be moved to men, right? Then the web element. Next keyword is right. Next reusable. All these things are reusable functions, as I told you in the last video. Okay, I need to go to mouse over and click the men, right? For that, I'll add the arguments down and the web element. Okay, click right click element. This is also an element. Okay, we need to click the formal shirts. Okay, now let's type click. Click the product. You need to click the product. Okay, the first result we need to click element and the web element. Okay, now we need to add the cart, right? We need to add the cart now. For that we need to switch window here. Okay, so If I click add a heart, right, the window will be switched. Okay, so I'm just going to switch the window here. For that, we all know, I think, switch windows concept in Selenium Java, right? Same thing in the robot framework. We switch window, right? There is keyword. We can handle the switch window, right? The two tabs, right? We can handle with the help of it. We can get window handles. Argument is window id equal to get window handles. So we are getting the window handle, right, handles, and storing it in windows id. Okay, that is what we are doing now. Then we are using switch windows. Okay, we have to move from parent window to child window. So we are now get window handles is a parent window. We have to switch to the child window. Okay, child window one, the next window. If I give one means it will move to the one tab. And I click. Okay, first is add to cart and next one is like place order. So now the functionality is add to cart. So all these things are reusable methods, right? We can use create our own reusable methods and we can call to our test cases, that is test steps. Okay, now click element, click button now. Sorry, add to cart is a button element. Now next is place an order. Same thing, we need to add arguments and web element here. Same thing, we need to click the place order button. Okay, so we added all the reusable methods for our right end-to-end functionality now. Now let's go and call these things in our test steps. Okay, hope you followed the first video. It will be very useful, right, if you follow the first video. Okay, now let's create a new file under test steps, Flipkart steps, Flipkart place order. Dot robot. Okay, so we should mention it's a robot file. Okay, then same thing, we'll add settings here and add the library, shell name library. Then I'll call the path, right, in the variables as we did last time, right? The locator path and the keyword path. I should copy it. Okay, and I should paste it. Okay, where the file has been placed. Okay, how to take the path? We need to go to the file, right click it, and go copy path preference and copy the path. Okay, and paste that. You have to tell the test tips where we kept the locator and where we kept the keywords. Okay, now next, same resource, and which part of a resource folder we have. Okay, that also should be told. One minute. You need to copy the resource folder path and place order. Okay. I need to give double dot slash before the path. Okay, make sure you are giving that. Now let's go right. Uh, Call this methods which we reused methods which we created. Okay. Okay, we need to add key. First, we need to call this launch browser should be done. Okay, that we should do it. Copy. I'll copy from the previous one and I'll paste it. Okay. Hmm. Resource and I'll add the path. Hmm. So what happened if I give Flipkart search, right? That resource is been called here. Okay. Now I'll go keywords. I'll add keywords. So we need to launch, right? That keyword is there in the Flipkart search. We need to locate that also. First, browser should be launched. URL should be entered. Then only you can place in order, right? For that, I'm just calling the search, right? Locators or the search keywords here in this right add to cart. Okay. Okay, let's go. I'll add variables here. Okay, I need this URL also there. I'll copy there and I'll paste there. Okay, now I'll add the actual test cases now. Okay, first one is right launch the browser, that should be done. First is the scenario, place order test. The scenario is I am writing. Then first one is I need to launch the browser. Launch browser and the URL and the browser. Next, right, I need to go and click fashion, right? Click fashion at the last. Okay, I need to copy that and give the same name there. Click fashion. Okay. Now, first I click fashion, then I need to hover to the mouse, right? I am just giving first next one mouse over should be done. Hmm. Mouse over. Hmm. Now mouse over should be went to the menu. Now let's go to the next one. First, we click fashion and went to the men now. Now we need to go and click the formal shirts, right? Click formal shirt, it's there. I'll add it. Okay. And right, we should give Flipkart placeholder should be there. Okay. Formal shirt should be there. Okay. Argument should be passed. Okay. After clicking formal shirt, what we need to do is right. Click the product. The search result first one we should click, right? Then you should give product at the last. The argument should be passed. Yeah. So we have, right, the pages, we have product, right? This product is there. We should differentiate that one and this one. Okay, that's why I'm giving a Flipkart place order product. Otherwise, that product it will take. Okay, we have two products in two different files, right? That's why I'm clearly giving Flipkart placeholder dot click product. Okay, I'll differentiate now product one and product. So then there is one little confusion here. One minute. No, product. Now okay. Now the product one argument is called. Okay. Now we need to switch window here. So I give switch window. I'll copy this and paste here. So I'm just calling all the keywords here. Next one is click placeholder, place, click add to cart, then place order, right? Click add to cart and the argument here, add to cart. It's at the last. Okay. And next one is click the placeholder, place order, and the argument. Okay, so we called all the keywords. Now let me explain you in this framework what we did. So we created, right, two pages. One is a search based locator and next one is place order locator. Okay, then in keywords we have, the reusable keywords for the search page and the reusable keywords for the place order page. Then we created two test cases. One is for search and next one is for place order. Okay, for two pages we created now. Okay, so as I told you, place order will have all the locators and placeholder, right, will order, right, keywords will have robot class will have first library, then the keywords, that is click fashion with the argument. Next one is mouse over, click former shirt, click product, switch window for switching of the window. Next one is click add to cart and click the placeholder. Okay, then these steps are called here. Okay, first library, then the path of the page class py and the path of the resources keywords. Then the URL browser and the keywords are called here. Okay, so this is, and I'll change the screenshot now. This is for search, right? Okay. 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 I'll take the screenshot also here. Click screenshot, right, and the file name place order.png, order.png. Okay, now I'll run the both. I'll go to terminal. Okay, I need to run two classes at the same time. I'll give only the folder name it's going to run. Okay, I give slash star. Okay, then I'll run. So you start both the classes going to run. It's like a parallel execution. Okay, first search page with mobiles. Okay, hit done, completed. The next page is happening on, but there's a fail here. Let me go and investigate. Okay, 1 minute. Let me go and see. Let me go and see the locator. 1 minute. Okay, I'm using a following sibling here since it's not located properly. Okay. Now please go through this expert video, guys. Right? We have posted detailedly about all the expert. Okay, let me run now. Okay, I need to change the since there are two click products, right? There is a confusion here. I changed to product one. Let me try this one. 1 minute. I'll first run one test case. Let me see. One by one will go. It's going to shirts. It's went to shirts. Again, it's failing.